Hey everybody, today we're going to show you a quick lesson on how to take care of your leathers and extend their life. Alright guys, so we have some Harley-Davidson leather care with UV protectant. This you can pick up here at FX Caprara Harley-Davidson, or you can, if you're not close by, pick it up at your local Harley-Davidson dealership. They should have some of this on hand. This comes in very handy. That is because leather is like your skin, right? You take care of your skin when it gets dirty with bug guts, for example. You clean it off, and when it gets dry, you moisturize. And you want to do the same thing with your leathers, because that will help extend the life of your leather jacket, your chaps, you name it. You paid a lot of money for it. If it's quality leather, you want to take care of it so you can extend that life and get the most bang for your buck. So, without further ado, let's get to it. The directions are right on the back. Who needs them? It's really simple. Shake it up if you haven't used it in a while. Have some paper towels handy. You can be pretty liberal with this stuff. If you can get it open. Preparation is key. All right, so now we're ready to go. I just dribble it right down. You can see maybe here, this is the side that gets the most bug guts. So I'm just going to use a clean paper towel and wipe the bug guts right off of there. You know, you clean your bike, hopefully, and you know that bug guts will eat away at your paint on your bike. Well, it's the same thing for your leathers. You want to make sure and clean them every once in a while. Ew. And for the particularly stubborn bug guts, you can just apply the stuff directly to them. If you need to, maybe let them sit for a little bit. You want to make sure and get all of the leather, not just the parts that are got the bug guts on there. But you don't have to use as much on the other parts that are cleaner. But really, I mean, you can't overuse this stuff. You know, it's not going to be bad if you put too much on there. It's just going to be a little bit messy until you get it all cleaned up. So both sides of this. Turning my paper towel so it stays clean. And you can really see the difference already, because not only does it clean the leather, it also helps restore it to its former glory. These chaps are 10 years old now, and they were a seasonal buy with Harley-Davidson, so that means I can't get them again. Harley doesn't make them anymore. My little shimmery skull, which is the nice thing about Harley when it comes to seasonal stuff. Not everybody's going to have these same pairs, the same pair of chaps, because they were only available for a short time and we weren't able to reorder them. So same thing this side. I'll go a little bit faster now since you guys have the gist of it. And then, last but not least, I'll show you how to roll them. So that way when you're packing for a trip, or if you're out and about and you want to make room, and you just don't want to throw them in your saddlebag. So they're all clean. And to roll them, to store them, all you need to do is make sure and open them all the way up. And you want to put the legs together just like this. So this is the inside, this is the outside of the chap. Put your legs together just like this. That sounded weird, huh? And then you're going to take this piece here, see how it's kind of sort of like a long rectangle. You're going to fold this top piece down so it's inside, makes a really neater long rectangle. You have the snaps down here. This is the bottom of your legs. You're going to fold this top part up to just below those snaps, like so. Now you're going to kind of sort of pick it up. So this part flips under, like so. So now the snaps are at both ends, and we're kind of going to sort of fold it like a burrito. I'm going to take the one side in and the other, and now we're going to use the snaps, snap it all together, so then that way it stays together inside your saddle bag or your backpack or whatever you're using. Or when you're storing them for winter, clean them all off, store them like this, you'll be all set to go come springtime. I'll show you one more time. So you have your chaps. You want to put the legs together. Fold the top in so you make that long rectangle. Take the top, fold it to just below the snaps, fold the snap part under, and then fold it like a burrito. All done, protected, ready for the next ride.